To know what processes are currently running in the system, use getProcess command. This command is also important when you want to maintain your presence in the victim's system by migrating your payload to another service. Here you see the getProcess command. It has different columns. The ID column, process ID, is important. In fact, is the most important column here. You need process ID sometimes, but if you want to find process ID of a service, use tag name. For example, you know the name of the service and you only want to get the process ID, so you specify the tag name to find that service process ID. Get process, tag name, and the name of the service. Here we use system. The process ID of system is 4. Also, you can type part of its name followed by an asterisk or a star. For example, if you don't know the complete name of a service and you only know part of it, you can use getProcess tag name, part of the name followed by asterisk. If you have different names, different service names, you can use comma to separate them. Now here you see that the result shows us every service which has a system and win, sys and win in its name. To know what service a process ID belongs to, use flag ID. Get process tag ID or dash ID followed by the ID number.